that's when everything changes. Now you're going to have to practice your left hand separately. Instead of hitting G, D, C, D, you're going to be playing A, D, C, D, A, D, C, D, A, D, C, D, A, D. Practice this hand separately. You're going to be playing that 1, 2, 3, 4 times. A, D, C, D, and A gets your fourth finger. If I'm still on D, then you're going to go back to G, D, C, D, and you're going to come down B, D, A, D, G, D, C, D, B, D, A, D. And you got to practice all that left hand and memorize it separately. Then, because when you play that A, D, C, D, A, D, C, D, then your right hand is going to be playing, see how you're playing A, D, C, D? You're going to play D and C up here. And that's part of the D chord without an F sharp in it. They don't have any F sharps in this piece, even though it's in the key of G. But if you really look at the D chord, D, F sharp, A, that's the chord that it would be with a C. It's a D major 7th, and you haven't learned that yet, but that's what they're really using here. Okay, so just remember to go A, D, C, D, A, D, C, D, and put 5 and 4 on D and C. Now, so when you're playing this D and C, you're playing 2 notes down here, then 2 notes again, then you repeat the bass, 2 notes. Then when you get to the C, you're playing that you have to play your right hand separately. D and C, and think D and C, 5 and 4, the C above middle C. 1, 2, 3, then keep your 4th finger on that C. A should get 2, 4, 2, C, A, and then 3, 1 on, back to the G chord. Okay, so it's going to go. So you memorize this first. A, D, C, D, 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 then G, D, C, D, B, D, A, D, G, D, C, D, B, D, A, D. Then you're back. Then you're going to go from there back to the very beginning of the piece that we did together. And we're going to do it. And we'll end it with this chord. Okay, so we'll do that together when you come over. All right, but the main thing is if you do start on the second part, do right hand alone, think D and C, D and C, and it's just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, then 4 is C, A, B, G, and when you're hitting the B, G, that's when you start, this bass just goes G, D, C, D, then B, D, that's part of the G chord, then A, D, note G, D, C, back to D, B, D. Now let's do the whole piece one more time, and hopefully this is going to help you. All right. because we changed it just a little bit, but we still used it. Now the original piece starts like this. We're doing that. The only difference is we're starting out with the bass 4 times so you can get rolling. We're going up an octave and doing this, and we're going up another octave, and we're adding a whistle. Okay, 3 on D sharp, then we go to our melody. Then at the end of the piece, we come back to what we did. All right, so let me play the whole thing. 4 times bass. Now, G and B, A and C, 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 G and B, A and C. Well, I can count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep the left hand going. Find my D sharp. And put B with it when you can do that. Now the melody. 3 on the B below middle C. G, B, G, A, G, B, D. B, G, A, G. B, G, A, G, B, D. B, G, A, G. Now minor, B flat. B flat, G, A, G. B flat, D. B flat, G, A, G. That repeats. Back to major. Now, if you have time, you're going to do this part separately, and it's going to sound like this. Then put it together. Now, you can go back and do the melody again if you want an octave higher. I would do that the same. I'm going to play the whole thing the way you want. You want to practice it really slowly, like that. And think of your notes. Okay? Remember, this goes 4 times first. And you just count. G and B, then A and C when we hit the C, G and B, A and C. So when you learn it and you practice it really slowly and slowly, okay, then it's going to sound more like this.